Do what is right, not what is easy. Greetings of the day, my dear students. Today we are going to learn about the method of making miniature painting. Earliest example of miniature painting we can find on palm leaves. Then after that, artists started doing work on wood, ivory as well as on silk clothes. From 14th century onwards, the paper was introduced in our country and it has become a popular medium for the artist to make the painting. For Mughal painting, special factory for paper making was established in Sialkot in Punjab. In course of time, factories were established in places like Daulatabad and Nizamabad. This paper was dipped in a solvent of alum, that is fitkari, and in a slightly damp condition. Ivory or a keek was used to polish the paper. The thin layers of paper were glued together to make it hard like pasteboard. This was known as wasli. Wasli was done by Wasilgar. The different stages of making the miniature painting are known as: first, making the ground or canvas, that is tipai or first sketch. Second, sachi tipai or final drawing. Before applying paint, final correction of the drawing is made. The drawing is been done fair with the help of brush. After this, the artist is filling the color in the background and then they are filling the color in the main picture. Again after this, they are doing the shading wherever it is required. Likewise, they are completing the drawing with the help of plain color as well as by giving the small strokes and shading in it. As they are completing the main picture with the help of shading and small strokes, they are doing the border design. This border design is called hashya or patti, which was done by Naqshbandis. Color was applied with small strokes and after that got dried. Fresh coat of paint was applied. Finally, the painting was decorated with golden color. Lastly, polished glass or stone slab was placed on the finished artwork and gloss was brought to the painting by rubbing with a keek, that is a polished stone slab, on the back side of the painting. To make the painting hard and long lasting, a coat of lac varnish was applied on the back. The paint brushes was made from fur of the ears of calf, goat, donkey or squirrel tail. The fur was inserted into base of feather and stuck with lac. To increase the opaqueness of the color, white is added to the paint by adding glue or gum to granular color and applying on the painting to strengthen or put temper on the painting gave the name tempera to the process. The ink for writing was made from the juice of amla and haritaki or the carbon deposit of castor oil lamp dissolved in gum, or the burnt stick of arhar or the stick of pigeon pea or charcoal stick was used for the initial drawing. In the painting, the writing part was done by Naqshbandis. So my dear students, we will revise it. First stage is tipai, in which they are making the sketch. Then sachi tipai, in which they are finalizing the sketch. Then third is they started doing the background color. After that, they are adding the color in the main drawing. And then as it dried, fresh coat of paint is applied. Shading is being given by the artist. Then hashya or patti made by Naqshbandis. Finally, the painting was decorated with golden color. Lastly, polished glass or stone slab was placed on the finished artwork and gloss was brought to the painting by rubbing with a keek on the back side of the painting. To make the painting hard and long lasting, a coat of lac varnish was applied on the back. So my dear students, in this way we have learned about the method of making miniature painting. Thank you.